In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Charles Schwab email. We'll walk through the quickest way to update your email address right from the website, and I'll share what to expect after you make the change, along with a few helpful tips to keep everything secure. Start by heading to the official Charles Schwab website and sign into your account as you normally would. If you use two-factor authentication, keep your phone or security device nearby, since you may be prompted to confirm your identity. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click Profile. From there, choose Contact Information. This page is the central place for your personal details. Find the section that shows your current email address and click Edit. Type in the new email you want to use, taking a moment to check for typos. When you're confident it's correct, select Save or Submit to apply the change. While you're on this page, remember that you can also update your phone number and mailing address in the same spot, which is handy if any of those are out of date. After you change your email, be on the lookout for a verification step. Schwab may send a code or a confirmation link to the new address to make sure it's really you. Open that message promptly, follow the instructions, and complete the verification. It's also common to receive a separate security alert letting you know that your contact information was updated. That's normal and is meant to protect your account. Some changes appear right away on your profile, while others may take a short time to fully sync across all services. A few important tips before you wrap up. Make sure the new email account is active and accessible because you'll need it for verification and future alerts. If you're planning to close or transfer your account, update the email first so you don't miss critical notices during that process. And if you can't sign in or no longer have access to the old email, reach out to Schwab support for help getting the change completed securely. Finally, add Schwab messages to your safe sender list and check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the verification email within a few minutes. That's all it takes to update your email on the Charles Schwab website. Once your new address is confirmed, you're all set. For security, avoid making changes on public or shared computers and review your contact preferences periodically so statements, alerts, and confirmations all